Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into the much anticipated 2026 Toyota RAV4, a model that continues to dominate the compact SUV market and now returns with refined upgrades across the board. Whether you're a longtime fan or someone curious about what Toyota has done differently this time around, stay tuned, because we're breaking down everything from the interior and exterior to performance and pricing. The 2026 RAV4 doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it sharpens its identity. Toyota kept the rugged charm that appeals to adventurous drivers, while adding some bold refinements to the exterior. At first glance, the front fascia gets a subtle redesign. You'll notice a wider, more aggressive grille and sleeker LED headlights that stretch further into the fenders. It's clean, modern, and tougher looking than before. Toyota's also added new wheel designs ranging from 17 to 19 inches depending on the trim, and the addition of a few new color options like Solar Storm. Blue and Forest Shadow Green helps keep the lineup fresh. From the side, the 2026 RAV4 maintains that squared-off athletic silhouette, but small tweaks like sharper body lines and gloss black accents give it more visual muscle. Around the back, the LED taillights now have a smoked-out finish, and the bumper has been restyled for a more premium feel. Overall, it's a subtle but effective visual evolution, and it keeps the RAV4 competitive against newcomers like the Honda CR-V and Mazda CX-50. Inside the cabin, Toyota went all in on tech and comfort. The layout is familiar, but there's a significant jump in quality. Soft touch materials now stretch across the dash and door panels, and depending on the trim, you can get contrast stitching and even ambient lighting. The base model now includes a 10.5-inch touchscreen, no more small screens on the lower trims, and higher trims like the XLE Premium and Limited boast a crisp 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster that's fully customizable. Wireless. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, as does a wireless charging pad. There's also an improved JBL premium audio system available on the top trims, and it's a noticeable upgrade if you're into your music. Seating remains spacious and supportive with plenty of legroom in both rows. Toyota also made improvements in cabin insulation, so highway rides are quieter. The rear seats still fold flat for a generous cargo area, and there's an optional hands-free power liftgate on most trims, which is super convenient when your hands are full. Under the hood, the 2026 RAV4 sticks to a proven formula, but with a few key updates. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine is now tuned for slightly better fuel efficiency and smoother throttle response, producing around 205 horsepower. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and is available in either front-wheel or all-wheel drive. For those looking for even more efficiency, the RAV4 Hybrid and Prime plug-in hybrid models return with tweaks to their electric motor systems, offering improved range and better integration with the gas engine. The Prime model especially stands out, now offering up to 50 miles of electric-only range and a combined output of around 302 horsepower, making it the quickest RAV4 ever made. It feels surprisingly sporty, with confident acceleration and well-balanced handling, especially with the enhanced suspension tuning in the 2026 update. Safety remains a priority for Toyota. The new RAV4 includes the updated Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which features enhanced adaptive cruise control, lane centering, road sign assist, and improved pedestrian and cyclist detection. It's a strong setup that adds peace of mind whether you're commuting or heading out on a road trip. Pricing for the 2026 RAV4 starts at around $3,000 for the base LE trim and goes up to about $45,000 for a fully loaded Prime XSE model. Considering the level of tech, safety, and performance you're getting, it remains one of the best values in the segment. That's it for today's review. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 proves that even a bestseller can keep evolving, and Toyota clearly isn't getting complacent. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is this the compact SUV you'd go for, or is another model catching your eye this year? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.